Adding and customizing users in Prospect CRM is simple. In the menu, go to Settings, then Users. To invite a new user, click Invite User here. Enter the new user's details and click Invite. The newly added user will now show in the Manage Users list and will automatically get sent an invite email to the address specified. To update a user's organization access and permissions, click on Show Details here. If you wish to remove a user, you can either mark them as unlicensed, which removes their access but they remain visible in the drop-down menus, or disabled, which removes them completely. Make sure to save your changes. Once this is done, you'll be able to see that the user is grayed out and Show Details is changed to Grant Access, indicating that this user no longer has access to the CRM.